Going to see a blinding yellow ring on my right hand. It's not even my size, but I knew I had to show that to you because I have the privilege of launching that this afternoon. For those of you who know, I love yellow diamonds. So does a famous celeb couple. We can kind of talk about them later. But now, in the meantime, Jennifer Miller just sold out an item in mine and Jen Coffee's show 2 hours ago. It was the very first item in the show. And now I'm going to talk about new pieces from her design in this hour. We're going to do bamboo bracelets and bamboo hoops next, and start with an initial signet ring. It's one of those classic items in the world of jewelry, and once in a while a celeb will wear it and then it's all the rage again, and that's very much the case now. This one though, not just a plain signet ring, it has an initial on the top of it done in Diamonique stones. Now, I'm gonna let you know, as of now, we have letters A through Z, sizes 4 through 11, but that can quickly change. And we're not just focusing on sterling silver. We can do another option for you as well if you prefer to have the 14 karat yellow gold plated over the sterling silver. Price does not change, sizes 4 through 11. Like I said, A through Z, new today. So maybe if we could just kind of once in a while pan with the camera and see all the options. But I want to go ahead and invite Jennifer Miller in because we are so lucky to have her as a Diamonique designer here at the Q. She has an incredible boutique. She also works with celebs that we watch on morning news and that we see all the time. And they're always covered in these incredible pieces from Jennifer Miller. Jen, I have a few of your pieces outside of the Q, but my favorites are the ones you do with the Q because I get the better price, like $37, and I get the same look.
That is true, Amy, and I have to say that I'm so excited to bring these to you today because these are new creations that I did especially for QVC with Diamonique. Now, I am wearing two, just like you are, a S.
Oh.
I am wearing a J for Jennifer. I'm wearing an M for Miller, but I told my husband that I was wearing it for Mark.
Ah!
So that's just our little secret.
Wait, that's so funny.
Hopefully
That's
he's
something
not
else I
listening.
can do. That's two things now that we have in common because I can wear the
That's
S for Strand, or if I'm being nice that day, I'll say the S is for Steve. So how funny that we have that in common.
Well, the other thing about it is that some people like to honor a child's name or a pet's name, but for me, because my business is so known as Jennifer Miller, and I'm Jennifer, and I'm married to Mark, I just take it that way. Sometimes I'll wear an R on my other hand for Rolo, my dog, but I'm so excited that this ring hugs the finger perfectly. So it's comfortable and you can wear the two together. It has the micro pave set Diamonique sparkling to emphasize the initial. I don't know if you can see that, but
Yeah, I'm gonna just
the
hold it on
sparkle on the
still.
Diamonique is so divine. And I
Yeah.
use a little trade secret, which is a jeweler's trade secret of mine. I use platinum to plate underneath the Diamonique. And that way, the stones, the Diamonique stones, really pop and they add a sparkle and an elegance, which a lot of jewelers don't do. It's a little trade secret of mine. I love to put Diamonique and genuine diamonds set in platinum,
What?
even though I have on a gold band or or a silver set band.
It looks so good,
And
and here's what I'm thinking. For $37, because that's not the typical price of this signet ring, and this one includes that it looks like it has diamonds making up an initial rather than just being a silver or a 14 karat gold plated ring. Maybe you get more than one. Maybe this is a Valentine's Day present for someone that's in just a few weeks. Maybe you do the first and the last name, or you do your children's names. But don't miss out because the price is not going to last forever. And the signet ring has been back quite some time. But I like that yours is a little bit more of an oval meets a circle instead of that
it's
traditional very
oval.
flat surface that we sometimes see.
Now, if you wear one solo, you can put it on with your wedding band. I have it on with one of my bands that I sell here on QVC. And as you can see, it pairs beautifully with
That
the
looks
band. So you
good.
could put it on with any of your diamond bands if you want to wear it by itself. I'm wearing a size 7, by the way.
Okay.
Um,
Is that
my
your normal ring
fingers,
size?
That is my normal ring
Okay.
size 7, and I even can wear, because the shank is so skinny, I could even wear a size 7 when I stack them
Okay.
together. So that's really good to know.
Well, then let me
They
make sure
do come
everyone
in
knows we do.
sizes
Yeah, I was just going to say that. You go ahead,
sizes
honey.
4 through 11.
And we
Size
don't
4 through
recommend
11.
taking it to a jeweler and having it sized down. So really pick your true size here. I'm just gonna let the camera kind of scan over again. Instead of me picking out, here's what the B looks like, here's what the C looks
Sure.
like. It's that bold capital letter that you're looking at. This is the first option, which is your silver choice. That is a rhodium plated sterling silver ring. $37 if you get it while on sale. Our sale happens all day today and then tomorrow, and then the prices go up. And just remember, I can't guarantee that the letters that you need or want would still be available. Always smart, especially when like personalizing jewelry, to shop sooner than later. And then over here, this is your other choice, same $37 price. $7 easy pay story. And this one happens to be that 14 karat yellow gold layered over the sterling silver. Jen, we're gonna move into the bamboo hoops and the bamboo bracelet, but I just wanna make sure everybody understands that this is new today and yet a price markdown. So if you're thinking about getting it and saving it for a gift or wearing it as a new ring that will mean even more to you because now it's personal and not just pretty, it's really go time. J405595. I'm thinking I might need to order a B and a C for Brie and Clay. Forget the Amy Stratton.